Hi students, I'm back. So this is now we are doing a shading. So now if you see, I've just done a small cartoon of a fish here. So this fish, if you see, so I'll be showing you how it is done. So now just take a light pencil and start just giving a light touch to it. So you are just going to color it. Okay, so it can be a normal pencil, 2B is fine. So just give it a color like this. So first base the color will be given. Okay, so you are going to just color it like this. So once you color this whole section, okay, so after that I'll tell you what you're supposed to do for shading. So shading is nothing but just filling in the colors, giving them the more dark and the more lighter version of it. So now if you see very closely, I'm just filling the colors in this fin. Okay, so filling the colors, then you take another pencil, more darker version, maybe the 6B pencil, and just above that only give a more dark finish. So can you see? It's more dark finish you will be giving to it. So give a specific blended outline and give a more darker finish to it. Okay, see, this is what is called as shading. So smooth it should come. Okay, so smooth and silkily you should do. Just give the darker. So whenever you want to give dark, just press the pencil onto the paper, give a little more pressure so that the pigment that comes out will be dark. Okay, yeah. So just this way. You can give darkness here also. Give the depth. See now how lifelike it looks, the fish. Yeah. So here when I left it, so again give the darker depth. As and when you go, just blend it in. You are going to just blend it. Blend the whole thing. So it's just filling the colors, giving the depth to it. That's it. So just fill the colors. Press the pencil onto the paper, so you will get more darkness. So more dark it will come. So you can see the below layer and the second layer. So you need to practice to get perfection. Okay, so do not make in all the directions. When you do it in complete direction, it won't come nicely. So you should do it only in one certain angle. So only in one certain angle you have to keep rubbing the tip of the pencil. See, I am holding it in a very cross way also. I am not holding it straight. I am holding it in a cross way. So as and when the pencil gets blunt, okay, you can see the nib is getting blunt. So you can sharpen it and then reuse it. Okay, so just give the like this. See now, see the fish. Can you see how beautiful it's coming out? So that is how you are going to do it. So now let me show you the eyes part. So eyes. So this is the pupil. So you need to leave white in certain areas. See now? Yeah. And now this is the eyeball. So just make an outline. Okay, and then give small shading to it. Do not darken it much. Just give a light shading to it. Okay, this is the eyes of the fish. Look here how different this eye and this eye looks. Yeah, so slowly you need to complete this. So give the shading. Yeah, that's it. And then the inner ball. So inside one more ball is there. Then color it like this. See, our fish is coming out so beautifully. Okay, yeah. So complete the whole thing. Okay, now so this is how you complete the whole shading part. So give it a nice color to it. Okay, yeah, so we are done with the fish now. So this is how the complete look will be. Okay, yeah.